15 minutes. Yes, this is the average attention span of a student in class. It is also true of public speaking and business presentations. However, history offers many examples of professional speakers who could keep the public's attention for several hours straight. Lawyers, journalists, and politicians learn public speaking, going through years of hard practice. The innovative course, Public Speaking in Life and Online from the Evorich Academy, invites you to become a true professional through comprehensive and interactive training sessions that have already proven their effectiveness. The course was developed by Igor Nezovibatko, who dedicated his whole life to performing arts, both as an actor and a director. In addition to actual experience in theatrical performances and productions, Igor Nezovibatko has been teaching acting for 29 years and has been providing training in business and public speaking for 25 years. He has already helped thousands of students from all over the world to showcase their talent and unleash their potential. The course is a perfect fit for those who want to become an influencer and learn to deliver persuasive speeches, motivate, engage, promote their ideas, and gain followers and partners. The basic course is a go-to solution for those who want to master the art of public speaking from the comfort of their home and enjoy a flexible training schedule. However, practice is the best of all instructors, which is why you should take the individual course that allows you to attend the online course and have personal training sessions with Igor Nezovibatko, who will help you develop your unique style and delivery technique. You will learn how to add dramatic effect to your stories, create suspense, and have the audience draw the desired conclusions. Learn all the tricks of the trade to develop your own style and win the hearts of millions together with the Evorich community.